Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Today we will read Surah Al Falaq with spelling. This lesson is brought to you by eQuranacademy.com. If you want to learn Quran online at home with live Quran classes for kids and adults from qualified Quran teachers, visit now eQuranacademy.com and sign up for 3 days free trial classes. أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم Qaf, Dhamma, Lam, Qul. Lam has sign of sukun on it. Whenever letter has sign of sukun, previous letter connect to sukun's letter. So Qaf will connect into Lam. Qaf, Dhamma, Lam, Qul. Alif, Fatha, A. Qul, A. Alif has Fatha on it and Fatha is short vowel. So read a short. Qul, A. Ain, Dhamma, Waw, Ru. Qul, A'u. Waw has sign of sukun on it and we will read Waw as long vowel. So Waw Madda or Waw as long vowel, same thing. Waw is not always read as long vowel. Let me tell you when you will read Waw as Madda or long vowel. When Waw has sign of sukun on it and previous letter must has Dhamma, then you will read Waw as long vowel. In this word you can see Waw has sukun sign on it and previous letter has Dhamma. So this Waw will read as long vowel or as Waw Madda. Ain, Dhamma, Waw, Ru. Madda mean you have to stretch, you have to make a long this letter. Ain, Dhamma, Waw, Ru. Qul, A'u. Zal, Dhamma, Zu. Qul, A'udhu. Ba, Kasra, Bi. Ra, Fatha, Ba, Rab. Bi, Rab. Ba, Kasra, Lam, Bil. Bi, Rabbil. I read Ba 2 times because Ba has Shadda sign. Whenever letter has Shadda sign, that letter read 2 times. First time read with previous letter and second time read with Fatha, Kasra, Dhamma, whatever sign it has. So previous letter is Ra and Ra will connect into Ba. Ra, Fatha, Ba, Rab. Ba, Kasra, Lam, Bil. Bi, Rabbil. One more time. Ba has Shadda sign. So previous letter connect to Ba. Ra, Fatha, Ba, Rab. And second time we will read Ba with Kasra. Ba, Kasra, Lam, Bil. Lam has sign of sukun. So second Ba will connect into Lam. Bi, Rabbil. Fa, Fatha, Fa. Bi, Rabbil, Fa. Lam, Fatha, La. Bi, Rabbil, Fala. Qaf, Kasra, Qi. Bi, Rabbil, Falaqi. If we stop on the ayah, last letter sign will not read. So we will read Qul a'udhu bi rabbil falaq. Mim, Kasra, Noon. Min. Whenever Noon has sign of sukun on it, we will make a gunna on Noon. If after Noon no haruf halqi, we have to make gunna on it. Gunna mean you have to produce sound in nose and you have to stay 1 second on Noon. Mim, Kasra, Noon. Min. If there is haruf halqi after Noon sakin, then you can't make gunna. There are 6 haruf halqi. Hamza, Ha, Ain, Ha, Ghain, Ha. We have separate lesson for Haruf Halqi. You can visit our YouTube channel so you can find Haruf Halqi lesson. So there are 6 Haruf Halqi. If these letters comes after Noon Sakin, you cannot make Gunna. Otherwise, you have to make Gunna on Noon Sakin. Mim, Kasra, Noon. Min. Sheen, Fatha, Ra, Shar. Min, Shar. Ra, Kasra, Ri. Min, Sharri. We read Ra 2 times because Ra has sign of Shadda on it. And I have told you before about Shadda's letter. So min sharri, we read Ra twice. Min sharri. Mim fatha alif ma. Min sharri ma. We have to stretch mim because after mim there is alif, and alif is long vowel, also called alif madda. Madda means to make a long. Mim fatha alif ma. And one question is here, is alif always madda? No, alif is not always madda. If alif is empty and letter before alif has fatha sign, in that case alif will read as long vowel or as madda. So alif is empty and letter before has fatha sign, so we read alif as long vowel. Mim fatha alif ma. Min sharri ma. Kha fatha kha. Min sharri ma kha. Lam fatha la. Min sharri ma khala. Qa fatha qa. Min sharri ma khalaqa. We are going to stop here. So last letter sign will not read, which is fatha. So because of stop, we will read min sharri ma khalaqa. Waw fatha wa. Mim kasra noon. Min wa min. We make gunna on noon. I told you before over here. Wa min. Sheen fatha ra. Shar. Ra kasra ri. Sharri. Ra read 2 times because Ra has sign of shad. Min wa min sharri. Ghain fatha alif gha. Wa min sharri gha. Sin kasra si. Ghasi. Qaf kasra tain. Qin. Ghasiqin. Kasra tain is double kasra. So double kasra also called noon tanween. Why we call noon tanween, I will tell you inshallah later. If I teach you everything in this lesson, you will get confused. So some rules we will skip. We just read perfectly, but I will explain you later. So what is noon tanween? There is no tanween. You cannot see noon here, but why we call this is noon tanween, I will tell you later. For now, you just read qaf kasra tain qin. Ghasiqin. Ghasiqin. Alif kasra I. Dhal fatha alif dha. Idha. This is alif madda. Idha. Waw fatha wa. Ghasiqin. Idha wa. Qaf fatha qa. Ghasiqin. Idha wa. Qaf fatha qa. Ghasiqin. Idha wa. Qa fatha qa. Ghasiqin idha waqa. Ba fatha ba. Ghasiqin idha waqaba. We are going to stop here. That's why we will read wa min sharri ghasiqin idha waqab. Waw fatha wa. Mim kasra noon. Min wa min. We have to make gunna on noon because noon has sign of sukoon. So whenever noon has sign of sukoon on it, that noon called noon sakin. And we have to make gunna on noon sakin. Wa min sheen fatha ra shar. Wa min shar ra kasra noon. Rin. Wa min sharrin. Remember I told you shadda's letter read 2 times. Wa min sharrin. Noon fatha fa naf. Wa min sharrin naf. Fa fatha tawila. Fa. Wa min sharrin naffa. Fatha tawila means long fatha. You have to stretch. Wa min sharrin naffa. Tha fatha tawila. Tha. Wa min sharrin naffatha. Ta kasrati. ومن شر النفاثات. فا كسرة لام فيل. عين دمع فيلع. قا فتحة قا. فيلعق. دال كسرة دي. fil uqadi. We are going to stop here, so we will not read this kasra. We will read وَمِن شَرِّ النَّفَّاثَاتِ فِي الْعُقَدِ. واو فتحة و ميم كسرة نون من ومن شين فتحة را شر را كسرة ري ومن شر حا فتحة ألف حا ومن شر حا سين كسرة سي ومن شر حاسد دال كسرتين دين ومن شر حاسد. This is kasratain I told you before over here. So inshallah we will again repeat this rule in coming lessons inshallah. So you don't have to worry about that. I promise I will teach you again and again this rule. وَمِن شَرِّ حَاسِدٍ ألف كسرة إذا الفتحة ألف ذا إذا ومن شر حاسد إذا حا فتحة حا سين فتحة سا إذا حاسد دال فتحة دا إذا حسد. We are going to stop here, so that's why we will not read this fatha and we will read وَمِن شَرِّ حَاسِدٍ إِذَا حَسَدَ. Okay, we have completed today's lesson and let me repeat one more time. بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم. Please read after me. قل أعوذ برب الفلق من شر ما خلق ومن شر غاسق إذا وقب ومن شر النفاثات في العقد ومن شر حاسد إذا حسد. صدق الله العظيم. Please repeat this lesson at least 3 times, and if you are less than 8 years old, do not try to read one day whole thing. Just read one line first day, second line, and third day third line. If you are less than 8 years old, you have to learn slowly. That way you will learn fast inshallah. Thank you. Allah Hafiz.